Hello, hi to everyone. I welcome you all to my channel Mantro Daily Mantras for Everyone. Today I am here with Shiva Rudra Gayatri Mantra. It's a powerful tool for transformation and healing. When you repeat this mantra, you can connect with the divine energies of Lord Shiva and the fierce aspects of Rudra. This connection helps to remove negativity, prompting inner peace and balance in your life. The vibration created by this mantra resonates with your energy, cleansing your mind, body, and spirit. It opens the pathway for healing, allowing you to realize emotional baggage and physical alignments. Let this rhythm of mantra guide you into the state of deeper relaxation and connectivity within your high self. Feel the healing energy flow through you, realizing every cell in your body. Let's start.
ओम सर्वेश्वराय विद्महे स्थूलहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ओम सर्वेश्वराय विद्महे स्थूलहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्.
If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification